Guys, welcome to Linux Penny channel. Hit the like button as you come on, you don't know. Mental ability. Alright, and this is good for curriculum based SEA preparation. Let's go. You see, a cow is tied to a post in the middle of a flat bed. If the rope is several meters long, which shape shows where the cow can feed with the rope fully extended? And that would be C, a circle. Alright. On a bus from Outaris to Kingston, the cost of the fare was $1,000 every seat and a paid passenger. What additional information do you need to find the total fares collected? Is it A, the number of collectors on the bus, B, the number of passenger seats on the bus, C, the distance from Outaris to Kingston, or how fast the bus traveled? Alright, so that would be P. Since they say everyone pay, once you know how many seats are there, you're up to go. Let's go now. 100 people purchased a certain product. More than half of these people were females. Which of these expressions best represent the number of females who purchased the product to the number of males who purchased the product? Since it's girls first, as they say, girls to boys, can only be one answer, which is greater, and that would be. Alright, let's go, guys. In a triangle, the sum of the length of two sides must be equal or greater to the length of the third side. If the lengths of the two sides of the triangle are 5 cm and 9, so you have 5 and 9, which of the following could not be? Well, since they say that it can only be equal to 5 or greater than 5, right? As 5 is the last number here, so it can only be 3. It could not be 3 at no point. The sum of this of 14 could be 15, could be 8, since this is greater than one of these, and it could be 5, since 5 is here. Alright, let's move to 25. Leaving her office, Amanda took the elevator 5 floors up to a meeting. She then went 12 floors down to the cafeteria. The cafeteria is located on the 4th floor. On which floor is Amanda's office located? I want you guys to try this one also. Let's go, guys. 30 seconds to figure it out. What's the answer? Let's go. If you're just joining, make sure that you hit the like button. Mental ability 2023, 2024, 2025, and beyond. Let's go. Alright, so since we don't know the location, I'm gonna call it X and then take it from there. Alright, so she went 5 floors. She took the elevator 5 floors to a meeting. So she went 5 floors up, so I'm gonna add 5. She then went 12 floors down, so I'm gonna say minus 12. The cafeteria is located on the 4th floor, so she ended up at here. So once we solve this, we're good. Alright, so 5 minus 12, that will give us 7, and that's equal to 4. And then we just transpose, so it is what's happening. We do the opposite. I've taught you guys that so many times. So X is equal to 11. So she belongs to the 11th floor. Alright, let's look at 26. Hope you guys got that correct. Low is a number displayed on Marvin's calculator. What should be added? What number should he add to increase the digit in the 1,000 place by 4? And they did say the 1,000 place, so we have to add 1,000, right? So that's 4,000. Pretty straightforward. Which digit are most important when determining the number 8923 is greater than 8884? Let's go. It says ones. No, I don't think that. Alright. Tens, because in the 8 is greater than, no, that's not it. Hundreds, because 9 is in 892 is greater than the second 8 in that. Yeah, totally this. Well, let's see what is have to offer. 1000, no, sir. Because both of them are equal. That's not the most significant one in this case. This the 9 determinant because the 9 is greater than this. So 8,900 is greater, right? The diagram below shows the number that 50 start with 1. The diagram below shows the number of stars Vicky and Dave got on their report cards. Okay, so Vicky got basically 5. Just put that in first of all. Russell got more stars than Vicky, so he get more, so it's greater than 5, but fewer than Dale. So you don't reach Dale's, which is a possible number. Is it 5, 9, 10, or 15? Type it in the comment section, guys. If you had said B, you are correct. Alright, let's move on now. Elisa was born in 1962. When she was 20 years old, she went to college. 5 years later, she started her own business. Which expression could you use to calculate the year that she started her business? So first of all, she was born in 1962, so she has 0 then. So now she needs to go 20 years. So she finished college in 1982. Alright, she said 5 years later, so we're gonna add 5 years to this. So it means she started her business in 1987. So in order to calculate when she started, it would have to be A. This is a very nice one. I respect that again. Alright, let's move on to 30. What number should Khalil circle next to continue this pattern? 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. What's the answer? What should Khalil circle next in order to continue the pattern? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Hit the like button if you're just joining. My name is Leonard Spenick. If you're not a subscriber, you need to subscribe now. If you're not a part of my class, you need to sign up now. Very cheap rate going. It's going to increase soon, so be a part of it first. Alright, let's go. Ask about my CSEC Maths Marathon coming up. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Start from grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, and September I'm thinking of going starting from grade 3. Let's go. Sign up a kid now. Alright, let's go, guys. So basically what we can do is to say, see the pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6th digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so we're gonna continue that pattern with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 45. Let's go, let's go. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Welcome to Linux Spenick channel. Make sure you are subscribed. Our studies 4 different subjects each day according to this pattern. Use it to answer question 31. Which subject will we study on day 21? One way you can look at it, guys, is to see what the pattern is going, right? So basically, we see it start like 4 days, right? So we have day 5. Let's see, 5 plus 4, that's 13, plus that 17, plus 4, 21. So it's English language, alright? So you have day 5 English, next one will be 9. Continue like that, right? Then day 13 English language again. Add 4 to that, day 17 English language. Hope you guys can see it, and then that would be day 21. Alright. If no digits are repeated, how many different 4-digit numbers can be made with 5, 6, 7, 8? I don't even understand when they say it's not repeated. Alright, So let us look at it. I'm assuming when they say it's not repeated, it's kinda vague, I don't know exactly what they mean by not repeated. I'm thinking that if the order, he didn't say he said digits, I never said number. Could be 4321, which is 24, but they say no digits are repeated. What do they mean by how many 4-digit numbers can be made? 5, 6, 7, 8. Do they mean that this 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Did they mean you can't repeat? So you can have like 5, 7, 8, 6. But what do they mean you can't repeat? I don't understand. Don't understand the part at all. With 5 alone, you can have so many combinations. I'm thinking they mean this. It's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It could be incorrect, because that's my interpretation of it. You guys can shed some light what you guys think, because it depends on how what you understand. But you say no digits are repeated. What do they mean by that? You're making four-digit numbers, so naturally you're going to use but the same numbers. But you're not going to use but the same combination. The same combination I use, but not in the order. So order actually matters here. Could this be 4 choose 4 choose 4? I don't understand what exactly they asked me. Alright guys, so shed some light on this one. But my answer would be 24 based on my interpretation. Alright, let's move on to 33. Carl plans to give popsicles to everyone in his class. There are 25 people in his class. Each person will get one popsicle. It is cheaper for Carl to buy packages rather than individual bars. Additional information is needed to determine how many packages of popsicle he must buy. A, the price of the package of popsicle. B, the store where the popsicle may be purchased. C, the purchase of one popsicle. The number of popsicle in a package. So it could be a little bit cheap. Alright, so there are 25 people in the class, each will get one popsicle. So if Carl wants to buy a package rather than individual bar, what additional information is needed to determine package of popsicle? Alright, me that say, since you know how many persons you have, which is 25, each person will get one. I think you need to know how much for the package. And you have to know how much in a package. If you don't know in a package, we are going to know which package to buy, how many packages to buy. 34, which is reasonable estimate of the amount of water needed to fill a fish tank that fits on a small box. Is it 1 liters, 10 liters, 100 liters, or 1000 liters? Now this don't make no sense, guys. 1 liter is like 2 drinks per cup. But we don't have no idea how big the aquarium is. So come on, what kind of question is this? I would say 10 liters. But then it depends on the size. So basically, this is saying like Pepsi bottle, 20 Pepsi bottle. Yeah man, let's could have covered it. I'm going with 10, but I don't like those type of questions. Alright, the pictograph shows the number of goals when they scored over 4 weeks, and see here, that's the most important thing. So first week 1, she scored 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 12. Then she scored 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So that's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 4s 24. It's almost as if she adding 8 every week. Alright, so plus this, that's 8. No man, it's a 4. Alright, let us assume that she scored 8 plus 8 here, so this a plus 4. Oh, and then 8 here, so okay, cool. Alright, so she got 24 now. If the trend continues, how many goals will win the most likely score on week 6? So she got add an next 4 to this, to week 5. So week 5 she got the 28, and then she got score 8 more based on that trend. So that will go at 36. Let's see if that's an option. Yeah. Alright. So let's move on to the next one. 36. If the pattern continues, how many small squares will be in figure 5? Alright, so we have 1 there, so okay, so we are on this on the numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, so 3 base, 4 base. So 5 are gonna be at the base. So let's go that's it there. So you say 1. I'm just gonna use the because I'm not good at drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 4, that's 9, plus 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going with 15. Sorry for that drawing, guys. Right? After being cut, a rectangular shaped glass would be 15.4 centimeter long and 10.3 centimeter wide, with an acceptable tolerance of 0.14 for each measure. Alright, accepted tolerance refers to the difference between the expected measurement and the actual measurement. When the glass is actually cut, it measures 15.52 and 10.51 size. So let me try to compare this. So we have 15.52 and then 10.. Alright. So the difference is the 12 here, so 0.12. Alright, so let's look at the width now. 10.3, so that and the difference of 10.0, so that's of 15. So the length of a difference of 0.12 and the width of 0.15. What am I trying to say now? The length is acceptable, but the width is too short. I'm gonna go with that, Let's see what the rest say. The length is acceptable, but the width is too long. No. The length is too long, but the width is acceptable. No. The length is too long and the width is too short. So it's A. But they did say I have a tolerance of 0.14. 0.14. This is within. Length is within the tolerance, right? Alright. Frankie is playing a game where he throws a 6-sided die and tosses a coin. 6-sided die has the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While the coin has heads and tails. So head and tail. Which is not a possible result when Frankie tosses both the coin and the die. And that would be this. There's no 6 on the die. It's not possible. Alright, so let's move on. 39. There are 4 banners on a flagpole. The yellow banner is higher than the blue. just try to figure out what I was saying. So higher than the blue, but we don't know how it is. We just put in the information same time. Guys, ensure that you put down the information and see it. It's much clearer. Alright, so this is the yellow banner higher than the blue that I first see, but lower than the red. So the yellow, so that means the red there above that. Alright, what else you know? Which list in the banner in order from the lowest? Oh, the green banner is lower than the blue. So green that being here. So we don't know. Oh, easy. So red, yellow. So red, yellow, blue, green. And that would be B. Very nice question. You open yourself to that one. Alright, Janet plans to wear t-shirts and pants to school barbecue. She has 3 t-shirts. Hold on. She have red, blue. Guys, you see what I do? You're going to put down the information right away. Alright? Because you have a need there. That's why I need it, you know. Alright, what she said now? She has 3 pair of pants. White, black, and green. How many different combinations of outfit can she do? Alright, so listen to this. They can wear red blouse, red t-shirt with 1, 2, 3 pants. You have 3 options, so that's 3, right? And this you have the same 3. And this you have the same 3. So she can have 9 different outfits. Alright, so guys, if you want to be a part of a class for the curriculum base, this is my number 5492161. Alright, look out for more videos. This is an expected amount, no doubt. Oh guys, remember, leave your opinion on the one up there. So could be combination, could be 16, but it depends on how you interpret it. But let me know how you guys interpret it. Alright,